Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Ford Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, privacy glass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.